When your solar electric system produces more power than your home uses, excess electricity is exported to the grid and you build up a kilowatt-hour credit on your electric bill. At the end of your billing period, these kilowatt-hour credits are applied against the kilowatt-hours that you bought or imported from the grid.
During periods of high solar production, such as the spring or summer, you typically end up with unused kilowatt-hour credits at the end of each billing period. These kilowatt-hour credits go into a bank and can be redeemed on a rolling 12-month basis, first in, first out.
So your summertime excess kilowatt-hour credits help to reduce or eliminate your winter electric bills.
Refer to our What is Grid-Tied Solar and How Does Maine Solar Policy Work video for a more detailed explanation. For more answers to your questions, visit our website at mainesolarsolutions.com.